Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 easy steps on how to create template link on Canva. This is very crucial if you are sharing your Canva template with your friends, colleagues, or if you are doing digital marketing like I do. So first, we are going to your Canva homepage and select the template that you will be sharing. In my case, it will be this sample grand opening template, so I will make a copy of this template just in case for additional step, because things might go wrong in the digital world, so it's better to sort of have your own original template as backup. I'm gonna name it as template. Next, we are going to create our live template link. This is the most important part, so listen up closely. Please do not share a collaboration link, because anyone with the link can change the template and it will affect every single one who have access to this link. Instead, hover on to see more options and go to template link. Press on the create template link, and once the link is live, you can copy paste this on anywhere that you want. So with this link, every individual gets to access this template privately, and even when they do edits on it, it won't affect the original template, if you get what I mean. Next up, we want to create hyperlink on the template. Why do we need the hyperlink? Well, with the hyperlink, you can do so many stuff like affiliate link, website link, and many more. So I'm just showing you example on how to create hyperlink. And in my case, I'm going to create my hyperlink by inserting button and add text like edit your template here. So it can be anything, whatever that you guys want. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I will press the 3 dots option here and create link. I will then copy paste the live template link to this hyperlink, so anyone who clicks on it will be directed to this template that I've created. And lastly, in order for the hyperlink to work, we need to download and save our template as PDF. So there's 2 options, PDF standard and PDF print. It doesn't matter, but I usually go for PDF print in case my customers want to print out and the template will be ready for printing. But again, it's up to you, whichever floats your boat. Okay guys, so once the PDF is downloaded, before you share it on any of your social media platform or website, please try the hyperlink out to make sure it works perfectly. When your Canva open up the template via the hyperlink successfully, it means you're good to go to share your template. I hope this is helpful and beneficial. Please consider to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye!